today I have a special chicken curry for you. I have got special guests, so it's going to be special chicken curry. Let's get cooking then. Here are my ingredients. I have chicken, potatoes, onion, oil, my curry powder mix, bay leaves and coconut milk, yogurt. All the ingredients will be written in the description box. I have half a cup of yogurt, natural yogurt, 3/4 cups of coconut milk, and here I have 3 large tomatoes blended. Okay, I'm just keeping some of the fried onion for later to garnish. Kilo of chicken here, 1 kilo. I did not marinate or anything, nothing is put in the chicken. This chicken thigh, but there is no bone at all. 1 kilo. Leave that to cook. I have fried my potatoes. And then add the rest. Right. Now I'm going to put the tomato, the tomato. Coconut milk, and the yogurt. Give it a good stir. I'm just going to leave it now to cook on low fire. I will reduce the heat, put it on low heat. While this is cooking, I'm just going to do my washing up. I'll see you later then. Let's have a look here. My curry is ready. Okay, and I am adding 1 cup, almost 1 cup, it's not really full, of frozen peas which has already been boiled. And I am putting 5 hard-boiled eggs. I did not fry the egg, it's up to you if you want to fry it. And all I have to do now is garnish with coriander, and this is my fried onion. Please, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And please do let me know what you think about the video. And thank you for watching. When I dish out, I will show you. And I think I have somebody who's going to taste it today. I have guests coming, so I think I'll get someone to taste it. I'll see you in a bit. Once I dish out, I'll come back to you. Thank you for watching. Here we are, my lovely people. Look, curry is done. I have already put the egg and the peas. I'm going to dish it out, and I've got somebody special to taste it for you. I'll see you in a bit then. Here we are, Simi. I've got something special for you. Try it and tell me how it is. Taste it, please. I hope you will like it.
Oh.
How is it?
This is amazing. Best paratha curry pool
Wow.
I've ever had. So good.
Thank you. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.